Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, in the previous video we have completed our one more lesson, and the name of that particular lesson was HCF LCM, highest common factor, lowest common multiple. Now students, here in this video we are going to start our second part 2, and the new lesson, the name of that new lesson is equations. Okay, so today we are going to start our new lesson, and the name of that lesson is equations, which is belong to part second. Okay, so let's learn. Students, what do you mean by equations? So here in mathematics, the sign of equality shows that the numbers on both sides are equal. Means whenever we put the equal sign of equality, then we will show that particular expression is equation. Means both sides, RHS right hand side and LHS, that is left hand sides, are equal. Here students, one example is given to you. 5 3s are 15. Here this one, this example. Okay, so you can write over here 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 5 3s are 15. Okay, now here you can see that 17 minus 2. So when we subtract 2 from 70, we will get 15. So both sides are equal. So we can write 17 minus 2 is equal to 15. Okay, so this one is also 15. So both sides are equal. We can also write, instead of this 15, 17 minus 2. Okay, so what is the conclusion? The conclusion is that 5 multiplied by 3 is equal to 17 minus 2, means 15. 5 3s are 15 is equal to 7 minus 2 is equal to 15. Okay, so this is your equation or equality. Okay, students, I hope you understand better. One example is given to you, and that example is of balance. When both sides of balance are equal, we called it as equality. Okay, or we can also call it as equations. Here in mathematics, an equation is a statement that assert the equality of two expressions. Okay, so which are connected by equal sign. So solving an equation is the next part. Okay, then here we can understand two things. Coefficient variable means whenever we use letters in place of number, or we can say the numbers which are changeable, are known as variable. Means here we can see that x is variable. Means put any number in place of x, means 4 5 according to the condition. Okay, so x is changeable. Changeable means variable. Okay, so you will have to keep one point in your mind, that is variable is changeable. The numbers which are changeable are known as variables. Now the next, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. This is your equation. Means when we add 2 into 2, so we will get 4. Now here one more example. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay, we can also write this 5 plus 1 is equal to also 6. So both right hand sides and left hand sides are equal. So we can also write 3 plus 3 instead of 5 plus 1. 3 plus 3 is also equal to 6. So we can also write like this. You can also use different type of mathematical operation instead of addition only. So you can also use subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever it may be. Okay, for example 4 plus 2. Okay, so at one side 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So we can also write 9 minus 3. So 9 minus 3 is also 6. So you can use any one of the operation of mathematics. Here 2x plus 8 is equal to 18. So here students, what is the value of x? Put the value of x here. If we will put 1, so 1 plus 8 is equal to 18. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10. So 10 is not equal to 18. Put 2 as a value of x. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. So 12 is not equal to 18. Okay. So now the next. So now put 3 in place of x. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 8. Now solve. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equal to 14. Now this one is also not equal to 18. So now 2 multiplied by 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. Now put 5 in place of x. So 2 multiplied by 5 plus 8. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. Now both sides are equal. 2 5s are 10. 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So the value of x is 5. So we can say it as the solution of this equation is 5. So we can find out the solution of that particular problem. Means x is equal to 5. Okay. So now moves towards the next, that is your homework. Here students, different mathematical operations are given in the 2 rows below. Find out the numbers you get in each operation and make equations. You'll have to make equation, means both the sides LHS RHS are equal. Okay. So now take first example. 16 divided by 2. Okay. So 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Read the table of 2 up to 16. So 2 8s are 16. So our answer is 8. Now find out the another expression whose answer will be 8. Now 5 here. 5 2s are 10. 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay. So now 72 divided by 3 is equal to 24. Now 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Now 8 multiplied by 3, 8 3s are 24. 19 minus 10 is equal to 9. 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So this one is your answer. So we can write in place of 8, 10 minus 2 equal to 8. So we can write this equation as 16 divided by 2 is equal to 10 minus 2. Okay. So solve all these problems. If you have any problem, then ask me on your WhatsApp group. In the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.